It took some effort, but I figured out the answer to this question. How do I get rid of a file that is shared with me that does not allow me to hit trash or remove? Let me show you what I'm talking about in this video, and then I'm going to show you how to do it. Look, these are all files that are shared with me. I'm in my, in my Google Drive at the very bottom down here, or near the bottom. I'm shared with me. These are all the files, or folders, etc., that are shared with me. Now, you can see most of these have a trash can. I can remove that. It doesn't delete it from them. You can see it's shared by these people to me. I can delete these, which basically removes it from my Google Drive. However, every now and then, something shows up that I can't get rid of. And I'll give you an example. Right down here, there's a PDF. And you can see this PDF right here. The trash can is grayed out. I can't do it. Can't remove it. Now, the reason I can't remove that one is because it is a part of a shared drive. For some reason or other, I'm on that shared drive. Have no idea why, but I am. Now, I know who shared it with me, and I can message them, but I just simply want it to go away. Here's the best tactic that I can come up with. They'll make this go away. I don't want it. So how do I get rid of it? Hit the three dots and go down here and report or block. Look, move to trash is grayed out. I can't get, that's the only way to get rid of it. But report or block, click on report. I'm going to simply click spam. It's spam to me, okay? That's the best, simplest option. I'm not going to go with these other more deliberate and blunt options, but I'm going to hit spam and I'm going to hit report. Now watch what happens with it. It goes away. But where does it go? It was moved to spam. So if I go down here to spam, oh my God, there it is again. But I'm not done. I can make that go away. Now that I've put it into spam, I can click on it now and look here. I can unspam it. I can open it and preview it, or I can remove forever. What's the three options? Get to the three dots. Open with or remove forever. I can right click on it and remove forever. Boom. Remove forever. File will be permanently removed from your view and will not appear anywhere in Drive. Gone. That is the best way I have found to remove a file that was, again, shared with me through shared drives that I did not have the ability to hit the trash can on the top. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail guy. I hope this helps you clean up your drive as I'm trying to clean up mine as well.